Hey guys, Rini here from Simply Rini. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I provide weekly tips and tricks to help you live a more natural life. So today we are going to talk about how to create essential oil roller bottles for babies and kids. So this is one of my favorite things to do for my son and actually my family, is creating these roller bottles, these custom blends for my family. So when we are creating these roller bottles, we want to make sure we have our roller bottle that we're going to use, a carrier oil, which is an oil like fractionated coconut oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, any oils like that are great for carrier oils. You want your essential oils, and then you want labels that you are able to then label your roller bottle after you have created it. So once you have all of your supplies, you want to first take a look at what dilution you want to use for your roller bottle. So for babies, the recommendation is 1 drop of essential oil for 1 tablespoon of carrier oil. For kids, you're looking at about 2 to 3 drops of essential oils per 1 teaspoon of carrier oil. And for adults, it's about 3 to 6 drops of essential oils per 1 teaspoon of carrier oil as well. So as you can see, these are general recommendations. Every body is different, which means start with less, because you always want to start with less, because it's always less is more. And then if you're not seeing the desired results, you can always add in a little bit more later. But you always want to start off with less. So you go ahead and start with what you want. So for babies, in a 10 milliliter roller bottle, you're going to only put 1 drop of essential oil in. So some mommies ask me, I want to make a blend, but yet I can only put 1 drop in my roller bottle. How do you get around this? So what I have them do is I have them put just 1 drop of an oil they want, another drop of another essential oil, put it in a glass jar, and then add 2 tablespoons of carrier oil, mix that, and then add it to your roller bottle. So that way you make sure you still have that blend that you want for your kiddo, but yet you're also being safe with it as well. So once you have figured out the dilution for your roller bottle, you can go ahead and add in your essential oils, and then you fill it with your carrier oil and you put everything back together. So you put the cap on and the lid on, and then the last piece of it is you label it with your labels. So this one has a vetiver and a cedarwood label because this is my son's bedtime roller bottle. He loves this blend with vetiver and cedarwood, and so that's just what I've labeled it with, vetiver and cedarwood. So I hope this helps. Let me know below if you have any questions. I'd love to help support you in any way that I can. I'll see you next time.